Hello, everyone. It's really good to have here in the KBW 2023. Thanks for having me here, and I'd like to introduce our new Layer 2 solution, Kroma, which is to aiming the EVM equivalent GK rollups. Before started the introduction to our Layer 2, I'd like to introduce our team, the Lightscale. The Lightscale founded in 2022, and we are strong 40s, and then most of the team is developer. So I'd like to say we are builders who are bullish on Ethereum and the game for the mass adoption, and especially we are targeting the Asia market, which is most prominent and the most having the potential in the adopting crypto and Web3 games. So although that is the reason why we decided to make our own Ethereum layer 2, the Kroma. Then, what is Kroma and what makes Kroma so special? We didn't want to invent the wheel again, so we're trying to build something good to make a better thing. So we are combining the optimistic rollup and ZK rollup to make a Kroma. So in first phase is most likely the optimistic rollup in the market. So we are studying the OP stack and adding our own challenge system, which is utilizing GK EVM. So in phase 1 will be pretty optimistic rollup. And in phase 2, which is gonna be the ultimate version of the GK rollup, will provide EVM equivalency and the fast finality at the same time. So in summary, the Kroma is aiming to have EVM equivalent ZK rollup in the future. And now we are the layer 2 and rollup, which is the first stage 2 universal rollup. And introducing the Kroma mainnet. We just launched the mainnet yesterday, and I'm really thrilled to announce our mainnet here in KBW 2023. So we launched our Genesis NFT as well, and then I'd like to have some quick demo about how it works and then how it looks like. So our CTO DJ is preparing the demo session. DJ, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So this is our official website, kroma.network. So when you get into this website, you can see the big banner for getting to the NFT minting site. So when you click this black button, then you can see this the minting site. So DJ already connected our wallet, but we are now supporting the MetaMask for our official wallet, and we are going to provide more wallets for more convenient use of our mainnet. And when you actually the connect wallet, and then you can see the assets from the layer 1 very seamlessly, and then you can actually bridging those assets to this Kroma without any kind of back and forth between Bridge and this NFT site. But for the seamless demo experience, we already bridged our assets to the Kroma, the MetaMask. And when you mint it, just can you click? You can mint it. Then MetaMask confirmation. And its block time is 2 seconds, so it's gonna be really quick and easy. And the the gas fee is about $0.03, so it's gonna be okay. All right. So it is always happening, this kind of thing. Yeah, it's completed. So you can actually share this to the Twitter. And also you can see all the informations on the block scout, and everything works really fine. The more important thing is actually Optimism currently doesn't have any challenges system, but we actually have our own challenges system to verifying all the transaction result. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, DJ. So please visit our website and then mint the Genesis NFT for future kind of the incentive and rewards and gifts and et cetera, et cetera. We are preparing pretty much exciting things to come along with the NFT. All right. So let's quickly go through our technology. As I mentioned, the Kroma is based on the OP stack and adding our own GK-based challenge system, so we can have the low fee, high throughput, fast response, high compatibility, fast finality, and decentralized operators. And for the fully GKP-ready mainnet, we adopt the scalable and flexible modulars on top of the OP stack. So the boxes on the this architecture, we already implement some of the GKP-ready component on top of the OP stack, but unfortunately, at the moment, the GKP proving time and generation cost is really high and slow. So we'd like to do some parallel research and development for optimizing those GKP, and in near future, when it's ready, then we can enable those GKP to migrate into the fully functional GK rollups in near future, maybe next year. And as I mentioned, the Kroma is the first stage 2 universal rollup. And some of you have some idea what the stage 2 is and some of not. So I'd like to briefly introduce what the stage 2 is, and then stage 2 in one sentence is all about the decentralization of the rollup. So it requires the permissionless, the validator or fault-proof system, and users can exit at least 30 days when they have some unwanted update or upgrade, and then the security console should be fully functional. And yeah, Kroma is fully decentralized, and then you can see here that we are providing the permissionless validator system. So anyone who wants to operating a node, then just join a validator, contribute, and get rewards. So you can see all the tech docs on our official website. So if you are interested in, then just visit and try on. And I'm really proud of my team because they are doing great research and development, and then we're also preparing our sub-project Tachyon to make a GKP even faster. So Tachyon's aiming for 100 times faster GKP through the GPU acceleration. And the mission is to actually leveraging GPU acceleration to enhance the average performance of GK operations. As I say, at the moment, GKP is really expensive and slow. So when it comes to this kind of GPU acceleration, it's going to be really awesome. And we want to contribute the world of the GKP, the research and product and industry. So we're going to open up the code so anyone can see and contribute to code as well. And with this kind of research, we need some experts to contribute and research together. So we are about to establish the GKP research centers with the professors in Korea. So we are doing some co-research together with those experts. And I want to also cover the ecosystem and go-to-market. So I want to say we are started with the games. Then why games? Because the gaming industry and Web3 game is the most rapidly growing sector across all different Web3 kind of category. And also, the gamers are really familiar with the virtual assets, and then they are always seeking the more ownership and participants and RNLs in that kind of, the universe. It means that they really come to this Web3 scheme really, and then the Web3 and gaming combination is really perfect fit. So it's gonna have the mass adoption of blockchain for sure. So some of you may have some questions that, okay, game can be something big, and it's gonna be like a mass adoption of the blockchain in near future, but Kroma can acquire games because there are so many layer 2s and then so much kind of competitions ongoing. And my answer is yes, because we are fully backed by Remade and Remix, who already have plenty enough the game portfolio. And also, they announced the new AAA MMO, the Nightcrawl, will be ready. Its Web3 version and global version in coming December, and they're gonna support Kroma as Ethereum's layer 2. And not only the games, but also our ecosystem is ready. So I want to leverage those gamers coming into the Kroma, and they want more contents and more services to play around with. So we are preparing not only games, but also the NFTs, DeFi's, and all the other infrastructures for them to actually enjoying the whole seamless and end-to-end user experience through the Kroma ecosystem. And the last but not least, the token economy is also really important. And our key principle is zero start. It means that our token will start from zero, and it will not have any kind of pre-mining or minting. So Kroma token, its total supply will be 50 million, but it has a dynamic minting algorithm, so it has some of changes, like 47 million, between 47 million to 52 million or something like that, depending on network fees and block busy, something like that. And also, as I mentioned, from starting zero means that the Crow token will be generated by blocks, and zero start means no pre-minting. So everyone will be on same start point, and we have some, the specific allocation, but they're all gonna get a token through the generation of Crow token. And we also have a sliding model, so it's gonna have some scarcity of all the tokens. And we care those 4 big participants in the ecosystem, and we are going to allocate them to incentivize for their contribution. So the first big pillar is for validators and network guardians. And the second one is the ecological transaction generators, which means the builders and users and community. And the other one is strategic investors who are believing and supporting us. And the last one is core contributors and community. These core contributor means like we made who are contributing for us to having quality games and their game pipeline all together with us. And then we are also trying to head start with the Remix communities. So we allocate some certain amount of our token to the Remix community as well. The specific and details will be ready by pretty soon. So we are gonna publish our token economy deck. So if you are interested in, then please visit us and stay tuned. And as a result, we value ecological transaction generators, and which means that the builders, users, and community. So if you're interested in to build some Web3 product, then please join us and build together to make a great ecosystem together. And this is the roadmap. So we launched our POC last year, and we successfully launched the testnet in this March, and now we are announcing the mainnet launch. So its mainnet fully support the P2P and also GK fault proof with the GK EVM, and also the decentralized validator system. And we are starting to build our Lego blocks for the ecosystem, and also trying to have proto-dank sharding ready and account abstraction for the better user experience, and also the making a plenty vibrant ecosystem. And Q4, Nightcrow will be ready in our ecosystem, and next year we are going to launch our GK Rollup-based mainnet as well. And this is pretty much my presentation, and for more information, please visit our official website and Discord and throw your any ideas and feedbacks. Thank you.